Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share an Excel file and set a limit as to up to when that person can access the file. So for this, you need to have a OneDrive account because it's going to be uploaded in OneDrive before you do this. You can actually do this directly in Excel, and this is how you are going to do it. So first, you have to go to File, and then after you go to File, you then click on Share. Now, if the file is not yet saved in OneDrive, it will prompt you to do so. So I'm going to upload my file now. See, there's an option there that you can use to upload it directly. And then I'm going to go to this button over here, Link Settings. And as you can see, you can sort of like change the setting as to up to when that person will be allowed to access the file. So from here, I can set a date. Let's say I'm going to limit only until on Saturday, for example, or 3 days or whenever. And then you can click apply. So take note that there are other options here, like you can set them to make it not downloadable. Okay, because at this point, if you just leave it as can edit, well, if I'm going to be the other user, then I could simply download my own copy of the file, and I don't need to be worried about the expiration here. So I'm going to set here a can't download just to share with you that it's possible to do that, and it expires Saturday, June 15th. However, take note that, of course, this is not foolproof because there are several ways that you can sort of like bypass this. If yes, you cannot download the file, then I could at least copy it or maybe take a screenshot. And after I have the screenshot, I can then use that screenshot and let Excel read the image and convert it to my own file. So it's not really that foolproof, but at least by doing this, you have some level of security, okay, to your sharing options. So I'm going to click apply, and I'm going to send it, okay, to one person. Let's say I'm going to send it to myself, okay, and oops, right. I'm going to send it to me, and then now I could click send. So I've now sent an email to myself, to my personal email that I could receive, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just going to pause this video first so I can open my account. And now I already have opened the email that I have received saying that I received a file. So I can click open, and I need to sort of like proceed with my uploading here. And I'm now being asked to enter a passcode, okay, for this. So again, I'm going to pause the recording so that I could enter the code that I will receive from my email. And now I already have this file that I've entered the code that I got from my email, but I'm getting warning here that I cannot download it or whatever. But of course, I could just, do something about this and maybe copy this, take a screenshot, and whatever trick you want, okay, for this. So, but anyway, at least we know that after a certain time, that link will not work anymore. At least some sort of like protection to your file sharing options. So I hope this video somehow helped you. Okay, and if ever this helped you somehow, we appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this, feel free to use the comment section, and we will try to do our best to answer the question for you. But for now, this is it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.